Okay, now the carcass is done. Base frame is sanded, edges are eased, got the baseboard trim on, which actually looks better than I thought it would. So I tried to minimize face nailing. I use this to my advantage. Screwed it from the inside. Of course, I did have to use some face nails at the corner. Some 4-penny hand drives because I just needed a little more persuasion. 18 gauge 1-inchers. So there'll be a little bit of sanding. Miters came out pretty good. I have this clamp here. I had to relieve a little off of here to get this to fit. So we're just gonna let this go overnight. Hopefully the glue will be enough to hold it.